Welcome to this demonstration of Connected Field Service for Oil and Gas, featuring Microsoft Dynamics 365. Connected Field Service capabilities help oil and gas organizations leverage AI and the Internet of Things to gain insights into remotely connected devices, drive operational efficiency, and improve technician productivity. Dale Waters is a regional manager at an oil and gas company who uses Connected Field Service capabilities to gain end-to-end visibility into the company's Permian Basin operations. From this Power BI dashboard, Dale can instantly assess the overall health of the company's Permian Basin assets, receive real-time weather updates that may affect operations in the field, and more. He can see that the Midland area has had some critical level incidents, so he drills down for more information. Dale can see that several Midland assets have experienced critical compression loss. When he selects a compressor, he can review its last service date, as well as the color-coded status of each of its components. Looking at operating efficiency over time, Dale can see that the cylinders have been less efficient than the fleet as a whole, an insight he can use to help minimize impacts to operations. Kathy Snow is a field manager at the oil and gas company who uses Connected Field Service capabilities to proactively maintain equipment and prevent issues. This Dynamics 365 dashboard includes built-in charts and graphs that offer at-a-glance insights into the number of assets having critical issues. Visual indicators make it easy for Kathy to pinpoint issues, while a summary table helps field staff know which specific components are problematic. In this case, Kathy drills into an engine with poor operational status. Here, she can review general information such as the serial number and manufacturer of the component, a timeline of activities, connected IoT parts, related work orders, and more. She can also view the asset hierarchy as a graphical flowchart to see contingencies across parent and child assets and anticipate maintenance needs. Behind the scenes, the solution has automatically generated an IoT rule-based work order so that maintenance can be completed proactively. This work order is in the second stage of a defined business process flow that helps ensure service issues are dealt with consistently. In this case, Kathy completes some planning steps to ensure the assigned field engineer is prepared to service the asset, and then she advances the flow to the next stage. Jasper Cooksey is a scheduler at the company who uses Connected Field Service capabilities to optimize resource utilization. From this centralized schedule board, Jasper can see all the work orders scheduled for the day, color-coded by status. He can use filters to select field engineers based on their skills and workload. And he can use the map view to see where engineers are, making it easy to assign staff based on their physical proximity to the affected asset. To assign a job, he simply drags and drops an unscheduled work order next to a resource's name. With tools like this, Jasper can easily dispatch the right person to the right place at the right time to correct issues quickly. Megan Bailey is a field engineer at the company who uses Connected Field Service capabilities to efficiently complete work orders. Megan has been assigned to service an IoT-connected device in the field. Working from her tablet, Megan changes the status of the booking to "in progress" to let the back office know she started the job. In the work order, she can see a map showing the worksite location, service tasks to be completed, and more. Once she's on site, Megan starts by reviewing a 3D model of the engine in question in order to familiarize herself with it before beginning work. Next, she proceeds with the prescribed service tasks. As she works, she can indicate the percentage of completion for each task, as well as the actual time it took to do the work. She can also include a photo of the affected part as a reference. Before she leaves the site, she signs the work order, indicating that the work has been completed. Now management can use the logged data to monitor efficiency and scope future work. You've just seen how Connected Field Service capabilities help oil and gas organizations leverage AI and the Internet of Things to gain insights into remotely connected devices, drive operational efficiency, and improve technician productivity. For more information, please contact your Microsoft representative or visit our website.